Okay, so welcome back to Ratchet and Clank, episode 10. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Okay. Give me that. What?
That's a lot of door.
Shit.
This must be where they generate the forge's power. But there is nothing here. Is Junkbot messing with us?
I don't know, but if the power source really is missing, we could grab the one in the other dimension.
The one with an entire station looking for us?
Until we have a better solution. Now, let's find us some Blizon.
Can I make it? I can. Okay, let's go back. Hop, hop. This is much better, I think. Okay.
Is that?
That's him. Fucking tracking us or something. Let's go there. Holy shit.
Ratchet, you are just making him mad!
No. Fucker.
Stop shooting and run!
Okay. I need to run. He's not seeing me or
Try
what?
smashing that glowing canister.
You know,
Maybe not.
for some reason, the dimension where the whole station's searching for us keeps looking better and better.
At least they have the lights on there.
What's that sound?
Just keep moving! Ratchet, I do not see Blizon anywhere. The only place left to look is through the next blast door. But it seems very locked.
What if we follow those cables above us? Maybe we can power down the locks.
I think you are right. This time.
Huh. This lock's controlled by a bolt crane. Guess they didn't get around to upgrading this room.
Run!
Come here. Okay, there is help. Let's go. Come on. Come on. What the fuck? Nice. Give me that. Maybe that's it. That's the first lock. I should have do so. Go back. Just fucking go back. No.
How'd he get here so fast?
There are vents everywhere.
No way, man. The fuck, man. Really? Come here. You son of a bitch.
Turn off already.
What the fuck, man? Really? Really? Let me fucking go there. What are you doing? Go, 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 go! Okay, hopefully stupid, man. Stupid. What do we got here? Need that. Okay.
Error. Biohazard detected.
Huh?
Amoeboids! Not again! What is the light?
He's right there!
That is somewhat alarming.
Come on. What the fuck is going on, man?
Hazard resolved. Systems online.
Oh, that computer just turned on. Can we take a look?
Lock released. Blast door unlocked. Fine. See if I can.
Resuming playback on station log.
Come here! Come here! Okay, look out past the reef. I just started playing around and look! You see it? How does it swim like... Oh! Is that a hello? Wait, what are you guys doing? You're hurting it! Stop! Stop this right now! Stop!
That was Junkbot?
And I think he was talking about juice. Let's get out of here!
Come here, bitch.
Almost
Let's
there!
go.
Whoa! If I were Blizon, where would I be?
Ratchet, are
Okay.
you okay?
Yeah. Luckily, my O2 filtrator still works. Hadn't tested it in years.
Ratchet, I have been thinking about what you said earlier about the Lombaxes and risking a good life. I had a good life on Savali. It was peaceful, quiet, even joyful. So when you asked to become partners, I did not want to risk things either. But I am glad I did.
Thanks, kid. That means a lot. But I'm just not sure it's...
It is okay. Now I can be the one who believes in you.
Let's go, man. What the fuck? What the fuck are we doing here? Fucking underwater. Holy shit.
Up ahead, an airlock.
No. Let's go.
Come on!
Okay.
Long time no see.
Let's try that.
Looks like you are out of raritanium, hun.
Let's go. We got
There is an
something.
increased magnetic field here. The power source must be nearby.
What the fuck are you doing here? Another shotgun? What is that? Come here. Fuckers. Let's fucking go, man.
The power source is juice?
We should free him. Look at what they put him through. No wonder he is so angry.
But he...
Ratchet, if we do not give him a chance, who will?
I saved you.
Is that a
Did you
happy
see
hiss
that?
or an angry hiss?
Capture the power source. It was not scheduled to have hope today.
He's helping us? He's helping us! Man, that's a relief. We've got incoming juice! You can't even understand me? Finally bringing in the big guns, huh? Oh, that's a lot of big guns.
No. Fuckers. Oh, we got him. Nice.
Hey, Juice. You wouldn't happen to know another way
Fucking
to
nice,
power up
let's
the
go.
Rubion Forge, would ya?
Does he want us to
Hello, guy.
follow him?
Let's go there.
Power source jeopardized. zone. He wants to come with us.
Any place is better than here, right? Maybe he can help us power the forge after all.
Wait a minute. Nothing here. Okay, let's go.
Still with us, Juice?
Come on. The Rubion forge is upstairs.
Come on, JC! It is me! Good old Jamie!
Wow.
Power restored to maximum level.
Schematics uploaded.
Did it work? Woo! Yes, we did it, kid! You are a good partner.
I saw that gun somewhere.
Here is to new friends!
Looks like we just need to get back to our ship now.
Oh, this elevator can take you right back to the surface, no problem. Come back soon, Ratchet and Girls!
Thanks, and will do. Junkie?
Okay, where are we going, man?
Up with Junkie? I really need to step up my nickname game. Whoa, man! Hello, Junkie.
Clank! Rivet! We built the Dimensionator!
No way! Wait, we?
I knew you could do it. We have obtained the phase quartz as well.
Yeah, meet us at Zerky so we can build this thing.
Oh. How
got
do
it.
I meet someone?
What are you talking about? You met me, and that went great.
I fell off the archives in front of you and screamed. A lot.
True. I don't know, just be friendly and open. And don't overthink it.
Don't overthink it. Okay.
What is that? Okay. Okay, let's go next. What's next, man? Okay, here.
Hope everything's good on Rivet's end.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right. Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and Dr. Nefarious will be back in your own dimension in no time.
Let's go meet.
What's it? Hey.
Hey! Yes, hi. I have Clank.
Oh, Hal.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
Do you want to,
Okay.
Thank you.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
how many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing?
Okay, let's go.
Ready, kid? Ready.
Another Lombax?
The fuck are you doing, man?
In this dimension.
We'll see about that.
Okay.
You think you're so tough? Let's turn up the heat. Why must Lombax
Holy
be
shit.
reactable if they
No.
are insufferable? Just fall already and let me enjoy my
fuck?
reign.
This is not looking good. I've got it covered. I'm totally fine. What did you do with the Emperor?
Shit.
I never
Give me
met
that.
the guy. Because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
Okay. No. Okay, help me, guys.
I will not let you or Ratchet or Clank or whoever that is on your back take my newfound glory away from me. Tough crowd. How about a change of scenery? 2 against 1 isn't fair. So this one's game.
Nice, Grunthor.
Are we on Sargasso?
Yep, this is where I'm from. Funny story. Wait, maybe I should focus.
Are you just chatting? Fine. Pretend I'm not a threat. I'll show you.
Come on.
Hi, your Emperor. More
Nice.
brilliant and powerful than ever.
Okay, what about you, man? What the fuck about you? What was that?
That's it! I'm gonna send you into the heart of a supernova.
Come on, let's go.
Supernova?
We are back.
Did you see that? You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power,
Okay.
huh?
I can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet in front of this audience of my adoring fans.
Really, man? The fuck are you doing? No. Don't tell me that. No. Okay. Come on. Really? What the fuck? Okay, what do we got? Nice! Fucking got him.
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum and... Anyway, when I heard that the rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come hear the universe celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! I've been fighting rebels for years. Let me help you wipe them out.
Ah, my, strange fan wants to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
It's going to Sargasso. I have to get there first.
We're coming with you.
Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him.
Wait! If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.
Okay, let's end this episode here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.